Good afternoon. It's 2:45. We're in the Peak District. It's the end of January. We're out for a wild camp. So you might be able to recognise where we are. So we're at the bottom of Win Hill, which is just up over there. So yeah, we're heading that way for the woods, and we're going to have a night in the woods. So looks like I've got some friends as well. But yeah, weather's good, about 9 degrees, not going to get cold. So yeah, should be a good evening. So right, let's press on and get round to camp. Right, so as you can see, we're all set up. So let's get everything in. First thing, foil mat, which will make things a lot warmer. Right, there's some spare clothes, rain jacket. There we go. Right, the old X-Ped. Let's get this going. Flex tailgate pump. That's what we're after. So we want that one. And what one is it? That one. Right. This is my down jacket. That is my tent bag. That's just got bits and bobs, everything you might need. Some gloves, hat, and a couple of buffs, I think. Bit of food. Right. A gas canister. Oh. That is sleeping bag and clothes in there. Couple of pillars. That's the main compartment done. Oh God. Stinks of shit around here. Right. Let's get these blown up. So, just because you're out, don't mean so you can't be comfy. Right. So this one is the large seat cement event. So I know some people just use them for sleeping bags, but I've ran everything in it. So I've got a sleeping hat, some down booty socks. There's the other one. Got spare mid layer. Got some leggings, some spare socks, spare t-shirt, some more socks, and then finally that's the Alp kit Sky Eye 700, which will keep us lovely and warm tonight. Ooh. Right. Shove them back in there. You see, it's got a good lock on it. Shove that back in the bag. Bit more food. This year's walk, so we'll have a read of that and see what we're going to encounter. What we got? Some hand warmers, spare bag, tent pegs. Right. And in the top, rubbish and tissues. Ooh. And a little juice as well. That is that. And then we've got the MSR wind burner, some coffees and some water. So that's it. That's the kit. That's what we've got. We'll see if we can get a little fire going later. Nothing major, but yeah, all is good. Right. Let's finish sorting out and probably have that rice pot. So it's 8:30. We've had dinner, sat by the fire, chilled after Christmas. I know it's the end of Jan and it was a month ago, but yeah, I ended up getting the flu over Christmas, so that was a bit of a downer. Took well into New Year to fully be over it. But yeah, we're all good. So yeah, we're all in the warm gear. We're just in the tent. Gonna put some music on in a bit and just lay and chill to that, which will be nice. It's a bit of a relax. Read my book, Cumbria Way. That's the plan for this summer. June, July time, sort of 5 days. We'll do the 76 miles. Can't remember now. So yeah, we've got that. Hopefully get a few more camps in, and me and a mate are coming back to the Peak District in March. So yeah, we've got that. We're also going away for a weekend at campsite in Norfolk. So we've got that booked in. So yeah, a few things in the pipeline. So yeah, all good. All good. So no new kit, nothing to show you. But no, this one's just a bit of a chill and yeah, a relax. So cool. Right, we'll see you all later. Good morning. Morning. So it's about 9 o'clock. We're all packed up. And as you can see, no trace has been left. So we've tied it away. All round here was that lot last night. So we've piled that up. Yeah, not a bad morning. Bit windy. That's all I know. So yeah, we're gonna head back off and yeah, down into Hope. Maybe see if we can get some breakfast. But yeah, it's been a good one. Not been a lot of filming. Yeah, more chilling than filming. But yeah, on the next one, see if we can do a bit more. See if we've got a bit more time. So, right, let's get going. Yeah, that is not a bad morning. So yeah, look what windy around here. Blimey. I hear the wind, but I didn't feel it in there, but whew, it's got a bite to it as well. Right, we're heading that way. We've literally come straight out of there. So, right, see if we can get down out this wind a bit. Right, we'll call this one done. We're down at Hope train station now, which is where the van is. So as you can see, beautiful morning still. It's quite a bit bitter, but like I said up there. But yeah, not bad though. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Helps the channel out. See if we can grow it a bit more this year. And yeah, leave us a comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. Cool. We'll see you on the next one.